I am Rosann Kramer, owner of Runway Auto. We take care of you and your car after an accident. We use many tools to repair your vehicle. One of them is an AsTech, the tool and system we use to confirm the repair was correct and safe for you and your family after we return your vehicle to you. Almost all of the original equipment manufacturers like Chevrolet, Honda, Kia, Ford, Toyota, or Subaru, to name a few, require a scan if your vehicle was in an accident as a part of the repair process. The AsTech tool will complete the diagnostic scan on your vehicle. The scan does several things related to safety, including resetting your airbags. For example, if we replace a door on a Mini Cooper, a scan is required to reset the airbag even though the battery was not disconnected and there's not going to be a warning light on the dash to tell the shop that it's required. AsTech is compatible with 32 original equipment manufacturers. That means 32 different car makers. This is how we confirm that we did everything right, and it's the last safety check in our quality control process to ensure we return a safe vehicle to you after repairs. Not every shop has or uses a system to confirm your vehicle's safety prior to returning it to you. They just do it like they've been doing it for the last 30 years. Well, I don't know about you, but my current vehicle is nothing like my first car. Make sure your vehicle is scanned after it's repaired. Rosann Kramer, Runway Auto, collision repair specialist you can trust to take care of you and your car.